hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing 2 tornadoes. In Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 7 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lake Barrington or over Barrington. Caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Hoffman Estates, Bartlett, Wayne, and DuPage Airport around 6:35 p.m. West Chicago around 6:40 p.m. Streamwood and Carroll Stream around 6:45 p.m. Hanover Park, Glendale Heights, and Bloomingdale around 6:50 p.m. Schaumburg and Roselle around 6:55 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
And then the tornado part of the storm would come after. So the rotating part of the storm is
a tornado.